Another day, another video, another fragrance featuring part 2 of HSI Motivational. Gusto nyo ba yung mga reviews ko? Okay, babawi tayo ngayon. Magkakapag-review na tayo ngayon ng mga inspired perfumes. Bulit na pang amoy ko and so far, I'm good. I'm currently smelling petroleum jelly just to reset my palette. Anyways, let's start the video. Start the video sa isang fragrance na hindi ko alam. We have here HSI Motivational Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. Inspired siya. So, by the name itself, I'm expecting tobacco and vanilla. So, it's basically like Mancera Red Tobacco. But who knows, diba? Anyways, let's test it out. Ooh, one thing I hate about this one, atomizer niya. Anyways, ooh. This one smells nice. This one, I can smell fruitiness. Parang siyang bubble gum with the heat of tobacco and vanilla. Medyo, all I can say is medyo malayo siya sa Mancera Red Tobacco, okay? So if you're expecting this to be like Mancera Red Tobacco, you're wrong. This one is more wearable, pero I don't see myself wearing this and god damn, nakakahiling amoy niya. Hindi ko alam, wala akong idea sa totoong smell ni Tobacco Vanille of Tom Ford. I'm so sorry. But this one smells nice kasi nga lang medyo nakakahilo, ang sakit sa ulo. I think that's the Tonka doing its thing. Yeah. I like how the Tonka scent, masyado siyang nangibabaw when it comes to fragrances. Kaya, madaling ma-identify pag may Tonka siya. So far, it's a sweet tobacco scent. I like this one. Pero, nakakahilo lang talaga. Okay, another one na wala ko is Invictus. Unfortunately, wala akong Invictus since I think it's a bit overrated. Come on. Anyways, let's try this one. Oh! Wait! Alam ko opening pa lang yun. Inamoy ko agad. Pero let's... Yes! Itong Invictus. Okay. If this is how Invictus smells, you know what? I think alam ko na kung saan nakuha ng the Father and Son Intense yung juice nila. It's this one. Legit, kung meron kayong Invictus ng motivational ng HSI, compare it with Father and Son Intense, bro, magkaamoy sila. Citrusy. It's more of a citrus. I think lemon. Yeah, lemon. Green apple. Medyo woody. Musky. You know what? This is the smell of Father and Son Intense. I don't have to compare it. Magkaamoy sila legit. So, guys, kung meron kayong Invictus ng HSI and meron kayong Father and Son Intense, please compare it and sabihin niyo sa akin kung magkalapit nga ba sila o hindi. But the juice on this one, oh my god, ang lapot niya. Deny down ko na siya and lahat-lahat na. Ang lapot niya. Look at the oil in this one. Oh my god, HSI Motivational. Look at the oil. The heck? Ano to, oil? Okay, for the number 3, we have here Invictus Aqua. So, it's supposed to be the Invictus Aqua. Pero, if you know Invictus Aqua, it is, sinasabi na lang clone daw siya ni Rasace Hawas. Or, Rasace Hawas is a clone of Invictus Aqua. So, I'm expecting Rasace Hawas, which is my favorite Middle Eastern fragrance. And we will test it out. Okay. You know what? Sige. Aamin na ako. This one, it smells like a lesser version of Rasace Hawas. So, kung naghahanap ka man ng aquatic, fruity scent like Rasace Hawas pero less offensive, less Arabic, less anghit, this one is for you. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Hindi siya offensive. The heck? Yeah, ito yung mga fragrance na pwede mong ipang daily, no? Yes, this one is nice. I like it. Punta naman tayo sa mga scents na meron akong copy so I can compare it. So, anyways, we have here HSI Eclat. So, let's compare it and let's test it, not compare it. So, I mean, andun yung Eclat DNA. Medyo, is it me or medyo musky to? Medyo musky si HSI Motivational. I guess that's what they do on motivational line. They reformulate, they change the scent. Pero andun pa yung DNA niya, sadyang hindi lang siya sobrang kuha compared to the OG Eclat. So, I guess, okay naman. Eclat pa rin siya. Citrusy, ozonic type of scent. I mean, it's okay. It's alright. Yes, gagawa tayo ng video. Eclat na HSI versus Eclat ni Enzo. Soon. Last but not the least, we have here JPG Lamal. So, if you may know, it's the Lamal. Yun yung green bottle. Pakita ko sa inyo. Eto si Lamal. This is supposed to be, I think, as far as I know, this is the first JPG fragrance that they ever released. So, hindi siya si Ultramale, hindi siya si Elixir. Magkaiba sila. Pero, yeah. This is my first JPG fragrance. Anyways, let's test this one from HSI and then let's compare it later. Ooh. Ow! Sakit yun, par! Anyways. Par, ang smooth nito, promise. Ang smooth nito. Okay. Fuck, ang smooth nito. Sobrang smooth ng scent niya. Lavender, mint. Medyo may pagka-citrus siya. It's a sweet as well. So, I think it's a vanilla or cinnamon. I'm not sure. So, yun nga. Sobrang smooth niya. Andun yung mga gusto ng lahat ng lalaki. Woody, sweet, fresh. Like, come on. I think it's... Pero kung hindi namin si Lamal eh. So, let's test this one. Kung kuha ba niya. Ang problema ko pala kay Lamal, kaya hindi siya masyadong sinusuot. Kasi, ang bilis niya mawala. But the scent is good. So, diyan ang bilis niya mawala. Ayun na. Okay. Wait lang, let me reset my palette. Yeah, medyo less woody si HSI Motivational. Medyo nakukulangan lang ako siguro sa woodiness niya. Mas manlier si OG na Lamal. Pero when it comes to this one for Motivational is much smoother compared to the OG one. And I guess magugustuhan to ng lahat. So if you're looking for a good smooth fragrance, I think this one is for you. Napaka-smooth ito and unique din siya since marami na ngayon ang mga, alam nyo na, nag-ultramale. Bruh. Anyways, that is my review for the HSI Motivational line, part 2. I guess, sana may part 3 pa. HSI baka naman. Anyways, pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is si Lamal ng JPG. I really like this one. I think this one is the more wearable version ni Lamal na OG. This one is smoother, so kung maghanap ka ng unique scent na wala sa iba, and for sure, walang bumibili ng Lamal, just go for this one. I guess you can make this as your signature scent. It's smooth, hindi siya offensive, hindi rin siya ganun kauhina. This one is the perfect everyday scent that you can buy. Maybe my least favorite on this one would be the... Hirap ah. Maybe the least favorite on this one is Tobacco Vanille. It smells nice, pero medyo... Alam mo na, nakakahilo. As I said, nakakahilo siya para sa akin. I don't know sa inyo, pero sa akin nakakahilo. Hindi ko pa na-smell yung OG, so I cannot say na malapit siya o malayo. Pero yun nga, that is based on me. And I think hindi ko siya masusuot palagi. When it comes to Eclat naman, masabi ko lang, when it comes to Eclat, medyo malayo siya when it comes to smell. But to the juice, damn, this one smells nice actually. And yun na nga, sa mga merong Invictus dyan, guys, kung meron kayong Invictus, please compare it with Father and Son Intense. And please prove meron kung maliman yung pag-amoy ko. Pero I'm 100% sure magkamoy sila ang dalawa ni Father and Son Intense. I think same juice lang sila. So bakit Intense is a Eros inspired, right? Anyways, yun lang naman. Thank you HSI for giving me this. Medyo hindi ko lang talaga nagustuhan si Tobacco Vanille. I'm so sorry. Medyo, alam niyo na, nahihilo ako. I mean, gusto ko naman, medyo hindi ko lang, ewan, ang hirap explain kasi gusto ko yung amoy niya pero nakakahilo. And I think that would offend a lot of people. So, parang parang baby man sa Red Tobacco siya. Anyways, yun lang. I hope you like this video. Peace.